Ready ji, 80 speed English. Start. India generated around 33,000 tons of COVID-19 biomedical waste in the last 7 months, with Maharashtra contributing the maximum 3587 tons, as per Central Pollution Control Board data. Stop para. Over 5,500 tons of waste was generated across the country in October alone, the maximum for a month so far. Stop. Para. According to the data received from state pollution control boards, since June 2020, all states and UTs generated 32,994 tons of COVID-19 biomedical waste, which is being collected, treated and disposed of by 198 common waste treatment facilities. Stop para. The waste could include PPE kits, masks, shoe covers, gloves, human tissues, items contaminated with blood, body fluids like dressings, plaster casts, cotton swabs, beddings contaminated with blood or body fluid, blood bags, needles, syringes, etc. Dental colleges in the state are facing an unprecedented crisis with 31% seats lying vacant even after 3 rounds of counseling for admissions. Stop para. Hoping to fill some of the 354 vacant seats in 13 dental colleges, the Baba Farid University of Health Sciences will conduct the 4th round of counseling on January 13. Stop. Not only self-funded private colleges, but 2 government colleges have also failed to fill all BDS seats. Stop para. Water supply from the Harike barrage to the Gang canal within bracket Bikaner has been reduced, as Rajasthan has allegedly not paid maintenance charges to Punjab for the past 4 years. Stop para. Kisan Sangharsh Samiti within bracket KSS, a spokesperson said water discharge from the Gang canal, that is considered the lifeline of farmers of the border district, Sri Ganganagar, known as inverted commas begun Punjab of Rajasthan, inverted commas closed, had been slashed from 2,200 cusacs to 1,700 cusacs in the past 3 days. Stop para. Punjab will provide potable piped water to all 35 lakh rural households by March 2022 under the Jal Jeevan Mission, said Water Supply and Sanitation Minister, claiming 66% of the households had already been covered by December, 2020. Stop para. 3 districts, SCS Nagar, SBS Nagar and Roop Nagar, had accomplished the target of 100% piped water supply, the minister said to provide potable piped water in areas having arsenic, the department was setting up 11 water treatment projects in Moga, Patiala, Fatehgarh Sahib, Amritsar, Tarantaran and Gurdaspur, benefiting 1,103 villages at a cost of rupees 1,249 crore. Stop. Similarly, villages that could not be covered under canal-based water supply would get potable water supply. Stop.